Welcome to our channel where we bring you the best DIY home decor ideas to elevate your living space. Today in this video we are diving into the world of outdoor seating design ideas for spring 2024 with a special focus on DIY projects that will transform your outdoor space into a cozy and inviting oasis. As the weather warms up and the flowers begin to bloom, there is no better time to spruce up your outdoor sitting area and create a welcoming retreat for family and friends to enjoy. I hope you will enjoy this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more updates and keep on watching my videos. Let's start with some outdoor seating ideas that will add charm and functionality to your patio or deck. Whether you are working with a small balcony or a spacious outdoor area, there are plenty of options to choose from. Consider building a DIY bench with built-in storage or response wall pallets to create a rustic seating area that both stylish and budget friendly. Next, let's move on to the visual setting designs. With the right furniture and accessories, you can turn your patio into comfortable and inviting outdoor living space. From cozy conversation rooms to elegant dining areas, there are endless possibilities to explore. Get creative with colorful cushions, throw pillows, and outdoor rugs to add personality and flair to your patio sitting area. If you have a garden or backyard, why not create a dedicated sitting area where you can relax and unwind surroundly? And finally, don't forget to think about the layout and arrangement of your outdoor sitting area, whether you prefer a symmetrical design. And be sure to check out our other videos for more home decor inspirations and DIY projects.